Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what we got here. We got this printer. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 9019E. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multitask, 4-in-1, in the sense you can copy, scan, print and fax with this printer. This printer got full featured all-round productivity with extra 1 year, which is after 12 of ink. After 12 months, a monthly fee will automatically be charged unless you cancel it. This printer, in terms of the printing speed, 22 print per minute for black and 18 print for colored. Time saving gear. What we want to do is unbox this stuff, check it out, see what is inside. This printer, you have option to create editable searchable document with shortcut to 250 sheet input tray and 60 sheet output tray. Up to 3 years warranty for this printer. This printer is using ink 963 or 963 extra large, and this printer work with Windows, Apple, and also you can connect this printer to cloud, the cloud connected smart printing system. Choose HP at setup to activate benefit. HP Plus require an account, ongoing connection to internet, and the use of original HP ink for the life of the printer. Okay, so now what we want to do is unbox this stuff and check it out, see what's inside. This printer, you can connect it to Wi-Fi network, Wi-Fi direct, or with USB cable. And you need to connect this printer using HP Smart app. Now this is the information pack and setup guide. Nice packaging. This is the ink cartridges, HP ink cartridges. Power cable, 3-pin power cable included. Nice. This printer is for office and business use. This will help you to increase your business productivity. Nice package. This printer is with ADF, automatic document feeder, that will allow you to scan multiple pages of documents in one go. This printer is with dynamic internet security, and it's beautiful. I like the color. Let's see what it looks like. To start from the back. Okay, so the power cable goes in here, and the USB port goes here, and the Ethernet cable and the fax line goes in here. USB cable. Now this is the ADF, automatic document feeder. Just gonna remove the packaging. Okay, here is the scanner, flat bell scanner. Stick the document you want to copy or scan on top of the scanner and select the function. This is LCD screen display. You switch this printer on and off from here. This is the on and off. And by the side here you got USB port for you to print documents or picture you have on your USB stick. If you open up this printer, the ink cartridges holder is by the corner. Once you switch this printer on, it will come to the center. If you have any paper jam, you need to check at the rear for any paper jam and debris and gently remove it. Make sure you put the cover back. I do receive question about paper jam. I want to also show you, if you check inside, if you can't see anything, also bring this printer this way and lift the paper tray, okay, this way, and check as well for any paper jam this end. So you check inside and this end as well. Gently close it. Now to remove the paper cover, you need to press this down, okay, this lever, just press it down to be able to remove the paper cover, okay. And this gasket, you can adjust this, okay, just need to open it up this way to adjust it to particular paper you are using, and also press this to extend it, okay. You can also press this in to bring it inside, so you can adjust the particular paper you want to use, okay. Then you adjust it in this way. If you're using A4 paper, photo paper, 4x6, various size of paper, then you extend this by pressing here. If you want it to go inside completely, you need to press down this button here, press it down, then for you to bring it inside completely, okay. So this is how this works. Then you close it. There we go. So this printer is nice, full featured all-round productivity with ink, 12 months of ink. Very nice. I like the quality, black and with silver. Just need to put the power cable on. So the power cable goes in here, push it inside. So push it inside. Plug it on to the socket, okay, and once you plug it on, you can see the light is on already, showing us HP. This is a nice printer to have. It's really good for office businesses. Print, scan, fax, auto two-sided print, that 5 pages, automatic document feeder. Like I mentioned earlier, front-facing USB for printing plus scan to copy. Self-healing Wi-Fi, automatic detect and resolve connection issue. Essential security feature. Basic data encryption, password protection, Wi-Fi security, document protection. Print speed, 22 print, like I mentioned earlier, for black, and 18 print for color. Easy setup, pair device with your printer, and you are ready to go. 1 year of instant ink. So guys, this is the overview of this printer, okay. Once this is ready, just need to select English language, your country language, and okay, then confirm. Then select your country, United Kingdom, click confirm, okay. And this printer now, just checking the printer. This is nice printer. It's beautiful. So guys, this is the unboxing and overview of this printer. Check out my next video how to install the ink cartridges. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do consider to subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much and stay blessed. Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to the channel. I want to show you, we got this printer. This is HP OfficeJet Pro 9019E. This printer is multifunctional printer, multi-task, 4-in-1 in the sense you can copy, scan, print, and fax with this printer. This printer, you got 12 months of instant ink included. After 12 months, a monthly fee will automatically be charged unless you cancel it. This printer is with dynamic internet security, and it works with Apple AirPlay, iPhone, iPad, iPod, Apple iBeacon. You can also download the software from Apple Store, Google Play Store. You need to connect this printer using HP Smart App. This printer is using ink cartridges 963. This printer also got ADF, automatic document feeder, will allow you to scan and copy multiple pages of documents. In terms of the printing speed, you can print 22 prints per minute for black and 18 prints for color. This printer, you have option for auto two-sided print, 35 pages auto feeder, automatic document feeder, essential security, featured basic data encryption, password protection, Wi-Fi security, document protection. This printer is easy to set up. What we want to do is show you how to set this printer up. This printer also got USB port for you to copy or scan, okay, or print document you got on in your USB. To switch this printer on, you switch this printer on. This is the display screen. So when you switch this printer on, you just need to wait. If you open up this printer, this is the scanner, flatbed scanner, and this is the paper casket. You choose particular paper casket you want to load, okay, into the casket and adjust it. Okay, so you can load A4 paper, 8.5 by 11 A4, and various sizes of paper here. And also this cover, you can bring this cover out by pressing down this button here and press it down. This is the ink cartridges. See what it looks like. 963. So this is huge. You can see what they look like. Okay, so this is black, and this is cyan, magenta, and yellow. Okay, we just need to wait for this printer to be ready, then show you how to replace the ink. So now this is just checking the printer. This printer also works with Windows. It works with Windows. Windows 10. Yeah, so it works with Windows 10. Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 8, Windows 7.5 or later. Mac OS Big Sur V11, Mac OS Catalina, Mac OS Mojave, and 2 gig high definition internet. Work with mobile device, iOS, Android. Now, to install the ink, you just need to open up this printer, lift it up. Okay, once you lift it up, the ink cartridges holder will come to the center for you to change it. If you have any paper jam, open up this section to check for any paper jam and debris and gently close it back. And once you're done, you can also open up this end, okay, turn this printer around and also lift this end to check for any paper jam. I do get questions regarding paper jam, so I thought to show this to you. Okay, now let's crack on to replace the ink. So to replace the ink, what you need to do is check on this ink holder. There are stickers underneath each one. So you start from cyan, okay? You start from cyan, and we need to go in. So this is cyan. Okay, so this settings need to be at the bottom. Okay, so you just need to go in, make sure. Okay, push it inside. You can see it's in. Okay, just need to push it, and if you want to remove it, just need to press it to remove. Okay, so it's in. The next on the list is magenta. Then you go in, so make sure this end is facing down. Okay, then go and push it inside, and it's in. The next on the list is yellow. Okay, this is yellow. Go in again, yellow, push it inside. The last but not the least is black. Okay, go in the black, push it inside. So this is how to load this ink. Like I said, if you want to remove it, just need to press and remove it. Press. Okay, this is how to remove it. Okay, so go in. Okay. The last. Okay, so now we are done. The next thing to do is just close the ink holder, and they will start to check the ink, checking the printer. You see, it's checking the printer. Now you can see new HP ink cartridges, genuine HP ink cartridges installed. Click OK. Okay, so now just need to give it time. Okay, and so this is how to install the ink. Okay, thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed.